Hey there, I'm Andrea Balboni from Zoe Clews Associates, and I want to share with you what it's like to work with a couples coach and why it might be just what you need for your relationship. You know those couples that seem to have it all together? They laugh, they seem to really support one another and have a deep connection that's easily enviable. What we don't often see is what's really going on behind closed doors. And the truth is that many couples struggle with boredom, conflict, or just feeling disconnected in some way. And while that certainly may not be what you want from a relationship, know that it's normal and it doesn't mean that your relationship is completely broken. What it often does mean is that there's room to grow and to reconnect. And that's where I come in. As a couples coach, I help you to build the relationship you've always wanted and to have the intimacy that you long for. Whether you're dealing with communication issues or just want to experience the erotic and pleasure together in whole new ways, I'm here to guide you. In our sessions, we'll work on clear communication so that you feel truly heard and understood, on rebuilding trust and resolving conflicts in a way that feels healthy, natural, and more easy. We'll explore intimacy and sexuality so that you both feel connected and fulfilled. Most of us have never learned how to have a healthy relationship, how to communicate openly, how to handle challenges, or how to balance the need for both security and excitement in love. That's why so many couples struggle to find the perfect balance between feeling safe and keeping that spark and that passion alive. But here's the good news. You can start to create a relationship that's both stable and thrilling. One where you support each other deeply and there's excitement and mystery and you feel alive. So this is for anyone who wants to strengthen their relationship, whether you've been together for years or are just starting out. If you're ready to transform your relationship and your experience of sex and intimacy, whether you come together or individually, I'm here to help. Here to help you to create the love that you want and deserve.